Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your GMC Acadia into neutral using an easy manual override method. This process is straightforward and can be very helpful in situations where you need to move your vehicle without engine power. Always remember to engage your parking brake firmly before you begin, ensuring the vehicle remains stationary throughout the procedure for safety. First, you'll need to locate the shift lock override access. This is usually a small, discrete panel or a removable boot situated very close to your gear shifter. Using a small, flathead screwdriver or a similar tool, gently pry open this cover. Take care not to damage any surrounding trim during this step, as the plastic can be delicate. Once the access panel is removed, you will see a small button or a white lever inside the opening. This is the manual shift lock release. With your foot on the brake pedal, firmly press and hold this button or lever down. This action directly overrides the electronic park lock, preparing the transmission for shifting. While continuously holding the override button or lever, carefully move your gear shifter into the neutral position. You should feel it click into place. Once confirmed in neutral, you can release the override button. Finally, replace the access panel or boot, ensuring it snaps back securely. Remember to re-engage the parking brake if you plan to leave the vehicle unattended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.